mabuhay at magandang hapon mula sa Phil Oil Flying V Arena. At dito po, kami ay naghahatid mula sa inyong paboritong Shakey's V-League. Dito po si Ronnie Magsanok makakasama si Miss Noringo para sa unang laro ng Best of 3 series ng Ateneo kontra sa National University.
Well, you know, today's game is going to be interesting because both teams, no, we can say that they're kind of depleted. For NU, wala si Dindin. And for Ateneo, wala si Coach Tai. So, I'm sure may effect pa rin yun. So, today is very interesting.
Dindin Santiago is a part of that team that's competing abroad. Samantalang si Coach Tai Bundit is also abroad for a coaching seminar. But no excuses in the best of 3 series, and in game 1, it's very important for Ateneo to have a very good start. Remember that Ateneo took 3 games to be able to beat the challenge of UST, and today they will try these following things kasamang na rin to try and duel etong National U.
Yeah, you said it, no? You know, they did show vulnerability against UST, but they're here in the finals. And these are the things they have to do. They have to vary their plays. They cannot be predictable. They cannot go to Eliza 100% of the time. They have to mark, of course, the top 2 scorer of NU in Jaja Santiago and Myla Pablo. We know they will be the first and second option of NU. So Ateneo's got to block better. And of course, you're playing against a veteran setter in Ruby De Leon. So you know that she has a lot of magic tricks up her sleeve. So you have to try to anticipate that.
And no doubt that Ruby De Leon is definitely an ace para dito sa National U. We talked about the Ateneo Lady Eagles earlier. Now we shift our attention to the National University Bulldogs. This is a team that swept the dethroned champions sa koponan ng FEU Lady Tamaraws. And today, they will need to focus on the following things to hurdle the Ateneo Blue Eagles.
Well, of course, first and foremost, they have to play consistently, you know. Without Dindin Manabat, they have to rely on Doria, si Roslyn Doria, to man the middle, and they need to be consistent. They have to block well because, of course, we know Ateneo's offensive power. You have an Eliza Valdez there, Bea De Leon and the likes. And, of course, coming into this game, positive mindset. They did lose twice in this conference.
That's correct.
They lost to Ateneo already, but this is the finals. You erase everything, you forget everything, and you focus on winning today.
Very short series for the title. Will it be Ateneo? Will it be the National University Lady Bulldogs? Game 1 of the series in a short while.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, national referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, international referee. And now let's meet the starters. First, for the Ateneo de Manila University Lady Eagles. At number 7, Giselle Tan. At number 14, Bea De Leon. At number 15, Joanna Baraginot. At number 16, Amy Ahomiro. At number 18, Kim Hekiliana. And their team captain, jersey number 2, Eliza Valdez. Libero number 8, Ella De Jesus. And the interim head coach is Parley Tupas. And now the starters for the National University Lady Bulldogs. At number 3, Jaja Santiago. At number 4, guest player Ruby De Leon. At number 9, Aiko Urdas. At number 11, Rosalyn Doria. At number 17, Myla Pablo. And at number 14, team captain Jorel Singh. Liberos number 5, Bia General. And the head coach is Roger Gorayev. Game 1 of the finals between Ateneo and NU.
No Tai Bundit for Ateneo. No Dindin Santiago for National U. No excuses after this game kasamang na rin.
Of course, no excuses because, again, like we said, this is the finals. You forget, you know, all the what's not there. Like your coach is not there, Dindin's not there. You forget it. You're here to play.
And you have the rest of the remaining 2.5 hours or even more to try and outdo each other and gain a slight momentum in this very short best of 3 series.
Of course, it's impossible. It's very important for both teams to start out strong today because you want to try to control the game and not let, we always say that, and not let the opponent dictate the pace.
Kung tutuusin mo nga, Norin, hindi lang yung laro ang kokontrolin mo rito sa ating linggo ng Setyembre, pati yung serye. Because you put the burden of adjustment on the other team pag nakuha mo yung unang game
Right.
ng best of 3 series.
That's important, yes.
On deck to serve for the first time for the Lady Eagles, Joanna Maraguinot, who has been a proven lethal weapon para sa Ateneo. Pablo attacks, rejected. Eliza with the drop.
Kept alive.
Singh saves. Giselle Tan cross court. Valdez, first point.
What a way to start this match and to grace this stage here in the San Juan Arena with a Valdez kill.
Coach Parley Tupas up on his feet early. The pressure is on Ika nga. Never easy filling in para kay Coach Ty Bundit. But a good opportunity likewise para dito kay Coach Parley. Tinawagan na ni Coach Parley. Narin.
Yeah, but that's an error there for Ateneo.
That's correct. Call going against the Lady Eagles. Pero mukhang may clarification sa ating dalawang referees. We talked about the series. We talked about arch rivals ng UAAP. Before Ateneo came to power, it was National University who took control of the UAAP. Of course, ang FEU, isang perennial UAAP power din. But ngayon, they're meeting on a different landscape. The same mission, which is to bring home the championship.
Yeah, that's right. Even if they did not meet in the finals of UAP, that they have also their rivalry, so to speak, because in the previous conference of V-League, NU did win with Ruby De Leon at the helm.
At alam ko, tinalo na lang Ateneo 2 years ago.
Yeah, that's the one.
Ito sa finals sa Shakey's V-League. At I'm sure that will be top of mind for the Lady Eagles in spite of the fact that Eliza has been mentioning na yung preparation sa UAAP ang foremost concern ng Lady Eagles. 3 quick points, equivalent to 3 straight points for the Lady Eagles here in the first set.
Yeah, so they reversed the call earlier and gave the point back to Ateneo. So it was supposed to be 1-1. Now you're right, now 3-0.
Maraguinot still serving for the Lady Eagles. De Leon to Myla Pablo. Pablo will score.
Yeah, but what an effort by Ella De Jesus. So ito nag-sprint ng wind sprint bigla, but too late.
At naniniwala ako na si Milo Pablo, as take a look at this upcoming serve, if it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Si Myla Pablo is going to be a very important part dito sa rotation ni Coach Roger Gurayev. Named as best player in the last 2 games para sa National University in the series versus the Lady Tamaraws. Attack error nangyari para kay Joanna Maraguinot.
Yeah, very hesitant there with that hit. But you're right, Coach Ronnie. Myla Pablo has already...
Hinog na.
Oh, if I'm not mistaken, naka-best attacker na yan in one of the conferences. But, it's always a question of consistency. But so far in this conference, maganda pinapakita niya.
Binanggit mo yung magandang pinapakita. Etong si Aiko Ordas, maganda na rin ang development after being saddled with an ACL injury. Makita mo kung gaano kanipis na siya compared to day 1 ng ating collegiate conference.
Yeah, but it's still a work in progress. We know for people who are recovering from ACL injuries, you have that mental aspect.
That's correct.
I'm sure physically, medyo close to 100%, but it's the mental aspect that they need to really focus on.
And that's why it's very important for her to be able to perform really well, especially here in the early goings. Myla Pablo once again rising to the occasion, tying this set at 4 points apiece.
And that was a great set by Ruby De Leon. Just one blocker for Myla Pablo.
Yung kakayahan ng mga setters, napabukayin yung depensa no rin. Lagi niyong binabanggit yan at lagi niyong pinupunto yan. Ball distribution, timing, variation. Ika nga, team captain Viral Singh committing that attack error. Tumama po sa antena yung bola.
Yeah, actually, si Jaja Santiago was nadala ng emotions kasi Ruby De Leon was right behind her but she wanted to save that or that second ball. But it was too far.
First meeting between these two teams lasted 4 sets. Nanalo po ang Ateneo last September 5. Ateneo celebrating their 6th point here, Noreen.
Oh.
Happy.
Yeah, that was at Eliza Valdez again. But you really expect for Ateneo's offense to get Bea De Leon and Amy Ahomiro more involved.
Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. You talk about those names. You put it on the shoulders of Giselle Tan
Yeah.
to be able to find her points of attack. Something that she has been able to do so well for Ateneo throughout the course of this collegiate conference.
Yeah, but as you were saying that, Jaja Santiago going over the blocker with that kill.
She's not only tall, she's very, very good.
Yeah.
And extremely long. And she has already represented the country many times over in international competitions. Not only following the footsteps of Ate Dindin, but probably could even eclipse yung accomplishments ng kanyang Ate Dindin.
Yeah, and she got rave reviews in her
Kinukuha na nga di ba?
Oh.
Kinukuha para maglaro abroad but decided to stay on. NU was down 3-0 earlier. Now, the Bulldogs are ahead 7-6.
Yeah, that's a great block by Jaja Santiago of Eliza Valdez. That's a great matchup.
Of course.
Oo.
Sabi nga natin at the top of the coverage, two of the brightest names in the volleyball landscape of the country at present. Cross-court attack para sa Ateneo. Checked. Myla Pablo from the back. Nagkabanggaan Tan.
Oh, free ball.
De Jesus. Nako, nabitin si Jaja. Binalasan ni Giselle Tan.
Great save there by Tan, and Valdez gets a point for Ateneo.
Eliza Valdez with 3 points in the first set. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Meron pang sukli ng fist pump galing kay Coach Parley. Staying with that reception. Jaja second ball. Myla Pablo, kumadyos yung bola sa kanyang palo. Ateneo sa ating first technical timeout, lamang ng isa, 8-7 kontra sa National University. V-League, hashtag V-League. Ateneo de Manila University versus National University Live. Ms. Trisha Robredo, what do you have for us?
Ronnie and Noreen, for one of the most important games, the Lady Bulldogs and the Lady Eagles will be playing in this conference. Ay sabi nyo nga, absent ang dalawang crucial figures sa magkabilang kupunan. Pero sabi nga nila, this should not affect their respective squads' performances. Sabi ni Coach Roger Gurriel, it's a difficult but a good experience to be going into battle without their guest player din Madamat. Dahil pagdating din ng kanilang collegiate team, ay sila na rin lang naman ang matitira. As for leadership, nandyan pa rin naman daw ang mga veterano at ang Ate Ruby De Leon para dalhin ang Lady Bulldogs. Dito naman sa kampo ng Lady Eagles, sabi sa akin ng assistant coach si Party Tupas na same preparations pa rin daw sila. At bago lumuwas si Coach Tai patungo sa isang coaching course sa Thailand, ay nag-iwan ng importanteng tagubilin sa girls. More important than winning is fighting happy. Kaya laruin ang laro and the rest will follow. Back to you guys.
Happy. Tinex ba yun?
Oh.
In MMS? Binayber ba?
Bagay siya mag-happy.
Okay. Thank you, Trish. At itong kupunan ng Ateneo, rattling off 2 consecutive points on Eliza Valdez's serve. It's now 10-7. Make that 11-7 and that Bea De Leon point. At may kasama pang sukling fist pump muli ni Coach Parley Tupas. Timeout muna si Coach Roger Gurayev. And you behind by 4.
Tapos wala na. Hindi naman mapatay natin dun sa open. So anong mangyayari? Mabibigay natin yung chance kung babalikan tayo ng paluan. Kaya kumilos ka, tumakbo ka. Hindi yung hinahabol mo ng pagganyan yung block. Laki-laki mo eh.
Sundan ng all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Volley Friends. So Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chats tab sa inyong Viber app. Search and start following Volley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan.
Another ace there for Eliza Valdez. So far, NU having problems trying to control the serve of Valdez, which is spot on. Sobrang eksakto sa net. Di nga tumatawag sa net.
May karga no?
Oo.
At saka parang drone bumababa.
Yeah.
Eliza still on the service line.
Oh, better reception
That's
though.
correct. De Leon to Jaja. Jaja with a dunk.
It wasn't the best of sets, but still she's able to get the point. So far, no? Jaja getting points off tips.
You talk about a towering figure. That's Jaja Santiago. Maybe tall but also very athletic.
Yeah.
At saka maganda, coordinated. Ang ganda kumilos. Jaja commits a service error. Jaja will surrender a free point to the Lady Eagles. At Norin, so far magandang simula ng Ateneo samantalang NU. Parang nararamdaman yung pagkawala ni Ate Dindin.
Yep.
If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be shaky.
Well, you know that nerves are setting in. I mean, look at the crowd. We have so much.
Dami, no?
We're filled. Wow. That was good ad-lib.
That was a good dive coming from Giselle Tan, pero hindi na naiangat yung bola para sa second ball.
Yeah, but you know, Jaja Santiago has got to really lift her team because they will look to her. Wala na si Dindin. So they will look to her as well, not only to Ruby De Leon.
At minsan, hindi lang yung ganda ng laro ang kailangan. Minsan yung pagiging vocal leader
Yes.
has to also come out. And Myla Pablo showing us a glimpse on how well she has played, especially in the playoffs.
Yeah.
Patay na patay yung bola rito para kay Myla Pablo. That's a two-man wall battered and shattered by Myla Pablo. Going down the line and scoring. Cutting the lead of Ateneo to 3.
Wow, great serve by Singh.
Oh, that's a bullet of a serve. Maraginat. Oh, all power. Sa lakas ng bola, sa lakas ng hataw at pektus, tumawid yung bola.
But you gotta, you know, Coach Ron, you gotta love also the experience that this young National University squad will get from this finals because no Dindin, yes, but Dindin will not play nga in the next UAAP.
Tama.
So Roslyn Doria is gonna get the best experience of her life.
Sa ayaw at sa gusto niya.
Exactly.
Oh, nice. Pero ang ganda ng baturon ni Seltan, ano?
Yeah.
Talagang basag na basag yung mga net defenders. But
Yeah, but-
Ateneo just could not connect.
Yeah.
The LDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for slow was 999. How do you defend Eliza from the back line?
Well, it's like she's hitting from the front as well.
Grabe, no? Tignan mo naman yung setup sa kanya rito. Pang poster, no?
Yeah, exactly. Ganda ng form. And you know what's hard about that is she targets the corner pockets. Those are the hardest to defend.
Yung mga dulong zones na
Oo.
tinatawag, di ba? Anong tawag doon?
Net
Sorry.
violation by Doria.
Ang taas din lubok na talaga ni Eliza, no?
She's all pumped up here.
Oh, no doubt. 16-11, Ateneo, second tactical timeout. Back here to live action para sa ating Game 1 ng ating Collegiate Conference Finals. For your social media sites, check out the following sites para sa lahat na nangyayari sa loob at labas ng Shakey's V-League. Joanna Maraguinot was the leading scorer for Ateneo before Eliza Valdez made this re-entry to the active roster para sa Ateneo.
Yeah.
Humiro, kinawit yung bola. Myla Pablo attacks once again.
Yeah, she has been connecting down the line there. And, you know, why not go to her?
Nandyan magaling sa Ruby De Leon. Magaling makaamoy, magaling bumalasa, magaling pumasa. Veterano, determinado.
Magaling period.
Tama. Magaling period. Amen.
Good block there by Myla Pablo.
16-11 earlier. NU scores 2 straight points. NU now at 13. Ateneo still at 16.
Good serve.
Tan goes to Eliza. Tanong gagawin mo ron, Norin? Nandun naman yung depensa.
You know, Eliza's really very crafty and she saw Jaja Santiago, Ruby De Leon. Of course, you will challenge the smaller blocker. not to take anything away from Ruby De Leon and, you know, her blocking capability, but Eliza really just knows how to make use of that block.
Magandang read, ika nga. Oh, over reception. Eliza, quick reaction. 2 straight points by NU earlier. Ateneo gets those 2 quick points back. And the 5-point cushion returns para dito sa Lady Eagles.
You know, you can sense for NU, no? Look at their faces right now. They seem like they're kind of not in this game
Yung body
yet.
language, no?
But when you look at Ateneo, what's nice, what's a bright spot is Eliza Valdez is carrying the team right now. So the others, you know, parang you can relax a bit and wait for your turn. But Eliza's been playing really well
Alam mo,
today.
naniniwala ako that being a team leader really entails a lot. The official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League is Axel. Some players kaya.
Oo.
Some try, but it's really hard to perform at a peak level and likewise act as the team's keeper na kung saan ikaw ang sandalan, ikaw ang lahat nakakarga. And sometimes it takes its toll dun sa mga hindi kaya mentally.
Oo.
Yung ganong klaseng asta para sa kanilang mga koponan.
That's why they always say they're born leaders, right?
Correct. Although yung iba talagang reluctant, sabi nga nila, but pag wala ka ng choice, biglang lalabas na lang yung character na meron ka pala nun.
Yes.
Valdez punching that ball in. De Leon pinitik sa likuran. Para kay Pablo.
Good dig.
Counter coming from Ateneo. Ateneo on the defensive, but Ateneo able to extricate that last point. Biggest lead of the first set for the Lady Eagles, a 6-point advantage. Tawag muli ng timeout si Coach Roger.
Muna tayo maayos, ha? Kanina pa tayo habol ng habol eh. Dahil lang sa Mr. Sig, eh, nagpa-practice naman tayo. Bakit paano ba kinatatakot sa pet? Hirap na hirap meron yung Sig ngayon. Ano bang meron?
Doreen, ano bang meron? Sabi ni Coach Roger.
No, exactly. We were mentioning that guy. They're having problems now with their first ball, their service reception. Sabi nga ni Coach, you practice that all the time. So ano meron today? Obviously, it's the mental aspect. They're not focused enough.
So yun ang wala.
Yun ang kulang ngayon
Yun.
sa NU.
Giselle Tan has definitely made a name for herself. Yung kanilang ace setter, the international campaigner na si Gia Morado, was down with a knee injury. In comes this young player who was developed into one of the finest setters. Dito sa Collegiate Conference, Urbas.
Too many free balls being given away by NU.
And let's see if this will hurt them again. Yes, that's a check ball. Nagulangan sila rito. Oops, 4 touches naman ay tinawag. Ano ba tinawag ko?
No, they call a net
Tama.
violation on Ruby De Leon.
Oh. Sabi ni Ruby, wala.
Well, then the call stays.
7-point lead for Ateneo. Giselle Tan serving. Very flat serve para kay Tan. Twist and play. Singh delivers. Para dito sa Bulldogs.
Yeah, but, well, I think that was the first set to Jarrell Singh, if I'm not mistaken.
Meron siyang isa kanina.
So this is the second.
Yes.
And that lessens their option because of poor reception.
Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Alam mo, ang dami ng team sa pinuntahan ni Coach Roger na tangan niya si Ruby De Leon.
Oh,
No matter what color he coaches, kasama ni Coach Roger yan.
well, a crossing violation there by Tan.
It was a 7-point cushion earlier, sliced to 5. De Jesus. Oh, wow.
Well, you know that Ateneos are prepared for the NU defense, doing combination plays at that time. Eliza Valdez at the firing end.
Ganda nung setup ni Giselle Tan,
Ganda,
ano?
yes. But again, because they're receiving better
Yes.
here in this first set at least.
And that was why yung sagot ni Ella De Jesus doon, napaka-importante. And so far, so good for Eliza Valdez from the service line. Impeccable touch for the phenom of Philippine Volleyball. Talk about phenom, nakita ko rin si Kiefer Ravena rito.
Oh.
Si Thirdy Ravena, nakita ko.
And of course, the mom, Mozzie.
Of course, si Mozzie at si Daddy.
Andito si Bong?
Ayan, ayan o, naka-neon shirt.
okay,
Oh.
okay. Naka-neon talaga.
Ayan o.
Yeah.
6-point lead still here for Ateneo. Jaja Santiago, all business once again here in game 1 of the finals. But she has to do a little bit more.
Yeah, that's true. First and foremost, service.
Kumbaga, isang good game will not be enough, no? Para dito kay Jaja dahil wala nga si Ate Dindin. Jorel against 2. Jorel scores against the 2-man wall.
Yeah, that's a bright spot right now for NU Singh getting her numbers. Because when you look at the front row, the more, of course we know Aiko Ordas, but because of her injury, the more seasoned right now is Jorel Singh. So she will be the first option of NU.
Jaja, second service error, and that will give Ateneo 6 set points here in set 1.
Yeah.
Coach Parley Tupas, napapangiti. Coach Roger Gurayev, napapailing. Coach Roger Gurayev, nakikita ko, nagsusulat ka ng
Pang set 2.
pang set 2. Thinking ahead. Thinking of ways and means to be able to stem the tide, so to speak. Singh. Now connecting.
Again, Singh scoring for NU. But again, you know, NU here in the first set, really, they're too quiet for me, Coach Oli. They're just too
Sinasasalita,
quiet.
no?
Oo.
Yung emotion, sinahanap mo eh.
Oo.
Sabi nga naming mga coaches, Norin, what are you saving it for? Pagkatapos ito, wala na, tapos na.
Exactly.
Ilabas mo na. At yan ang ginawa ng Ateneo dito sa unang set. A 6-point win in the first set to close out set 1, 25-19. Giselle Tan has connected with Alyssa Valdez time and again, and so far, it has been an Ateneo show dito sa first set. Ateneo winning the first set 25-19, and here are the numbers to illustrate how well Ateneo played versus NU.
Yeah, well, actually, one column there is really the errors. NU with 10 errors compared to 5. Because in terms of attacks, Ateneo just ahead by 1. NU blocked even better with 2 blocks and Ateneo none. Aces, Ateneo, which goes to show the struggle in service reception for NU. But as a whole, in that first set, really, NU seemed like they're not in it. They're not communicating. They're giving away too many free balls. Ateneo relying a lot on of course, their captain, Alyssa Valdez, playing well for the squad. So, Ateneo winning the first set.
NU has to make a quick turnaround after that sorry first set loss. Alam naman natin it takes 3 sets to win.
Yep.
Pero they cannot be down in a 2-set hold dahil hindi pa nga nila tinatalo itong Ateneo dito sa ating collegiate conference. At pag bumaba pa ng gusto yung kanilang kumpiyansa, napakahirap umahon.
Yes, that's true.
Good strong serve. Alyssa Valdez attacks para Ateneo. Sobrang lakas ng palo ni Myla Pablo. May kasama ng pigil doon.
Oh, medyo actually miss-hit there. Not the normal hits that we hear from her.
Sa tunog pa lang no?
Yeah. Well, but speaking of Pablo, she is the leading scorer for NU. Santiago and Singh with 3 apiece. Pablo with 5. Ateneo, Valdez with 10. Maraginot with 3.
Oh, nice serve by Ahumiro. I believe this is the 4th service ace for Ateneo. This match so far, tignan mo. Ulit talagang kiss
Bumagsak
the net,
no?
pero may kiss the net na-deflect At dahil dyan, bumagal yung bola, nahulog, pumuntos ang Ateneo, 2-0 for the Lady Eagles here in set 2. Ahumiro still, Jaja from Lupin de Leon.
Yeah, that's what we're expecting actually. More of that here in the second set. You know, if Jaja gets blocked, and he's just gotta cover, but you have to give Jaja more sets. Because what they did in the first set, try to distribute it,
Pinalasa, oo.
it didn't really work. So, might as well go to plan B.
Oops, Bea de Leon will not connect. Unmarked, unchecked. Pero masyadong mahaba yung palo roon ni Bea.
Oo.
From 2-0, it's now 2-all. Myla Pablo, the leading scorer for National University. Serving. Alyssa receiving. Alyssa attacking. Alyssa scoring.
It was all Eliza in that play.
Giselle Tan making sure that Alyssa is served really well.
Yeah.
Kung makikita mo, Tom Rabao sa reception, Jaja was there but made sure that that ball was away from the hands of the tallest player. Not only today, but in the entire conference.
Yeah, Eliza just knows where to put it.
Problema ang service reception dito ng National U talaga, Noreen.
Yeah. We said it in the first set, and again, it's carrying over here in the second set. And Coach Roger, parang he doesn't know what to say, di ba?
Ayan na, tumayo na si Coach Roger.
Ano nga meron?
Wala nga eh. Yung wala nga ang nakikita ni Coach Roger.
Exactly.
Oo. Anong wala? Yun ang meron. Jorel Singh blocked. Pablo. Another free ball para sa National U. Ella, Tan. Good save by National U. De Leon goes to the back. Pablo inilagan. Pablo, masyadong mahaba uli yung palo. Jaja Santiago looks to encourage Myla Pablo but still no vocal leader out there para sa National University.
Oh, na substitution.
Baka si Rubin na yan eh, no? Yung talagang magsasalita at magpapaalala.
She has to be more vocal, yes.
The official ball of the Shakey's V-League is of course Mikasa.
Yeah, when Audrey Paran is in for Myla Pablo.
Tip coming from Jaja. De Jesus. And once again, Valdez delivers. Parang hindi pa nagka-attack error si Eliza, no?
Di pa. And so, and you know, NU, on the other hand, is not able to check Eliza. So Eliza is having a field day.
De Leon with a dump. De Leon scores her first point. Coach Parley reminds Ella De Jesus to keep an eye on the wily and extremely clever veteran na si Ruby De Leon.
That was a great deceptive set over.
You talk about a misdirection, ano? O, Tan, nabitin. Kiss the line, I guess. Eliza Valdez once again. For Ateneo, if it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Oh, another good serve.
Ang ganda naman ng pag-angati Rubido ng bola. Tan. Wow. Kim Vicaliana goes down the line. Ateneo reaching the first technical timeout. Very quickly, 8-3 lamang ang Ateneo kontra sa Bulldogs. Check out this site. And we also usher back itong si Trisha Robredo dito sa second set.
Noreen and Ronnie, it's been a while since NU won against Ateneo. But the Lady Bulldogs tell me that today is not about vengeance. Now, just like the Lady Eagles that actually lost a championship to the Blue and Gold 2 years ago, ang pinakahabol daw nila ay chemistry, growth, at improvement. Now, while Coach Roger admittedly sees progress, nasasayang daw ang pinaghahandaan dahil sa errors at lapses of judgment. Kanina nga sa huddle, sabi niya na puro opensa kasi ang nasa isip, kaya nagmamadali at nagkakamali. Unahin ang depensa, stay disciplined, and be composed. Meanwhile, Bea De Leon took the time to give pointers to the younger ones in blocking during Ateneo's huddle. At dagdag naman ni Coach Party, gusto niya raw na mas mag-communicate pa ang girls at mas maging fluid ang Lady Eagles sa kanilang mga atake. That's all for now, guys.
Thank you, Trisha. Valdez still on the service line. Ateneo with a 6-point lead. De Jesus setting up Maraginot.
Yeah, that did not cross, but prior to that, she had a single stuff block on Jarrell Singh.
NU finally stops the bleeding. PLDT, ultra-fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10. Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999. Jaja Santiago trying to push NU closer to Ateneo. Tan, back set para dito kay Vicaliana.
Yeah.
Kaninong cover yun?
Actually, Jaja Santiago was near.
Titignan natin yung sequence na yan. Nice misdirection.
Oh,
Looking the opposite way and then going down the line for Gikiliana and Coach Roger Gorayev talagang hindi nagugustuhan ng kanyang nakikita ngayon because they're being outplayed by the Lady Eagles.
yep.
De Leon going back to Urdas. Urdas wala sa balanse. Timeout by Coach Roger as NU is down by 7, 11-4.
sa loob, paano natin malalabanan yan? Eh, bilang kayo ng bilang eh. Wala nang receive. O di sa open na lang. Eh, problema, pati sa open, hindi rin mapapatay.
Gising ka na!
Labas ka na lang, magdadamay ka pa rin.
Well, Coach Roger being very vocal about how he sees his team, which is true. They're not talking, they're not receiving. Oh, sige na, given that they're not receiving, so puro open. But the thing is, hindi rin sila nakaka-score. So, everything in disarray right now for NU.
And this is a big move coming from Coach Roger, taking out the veteran Ruby De Leon, sending in his young setter na si Diolan. O nga pala, sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Liza. Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John, Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Valley Friends of Viber public chat. Just go to the public chats tab sa inyong Viber app, search and start following Valley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their Ultra Fan kulitan. Alam mo, bright spot nila rito sa second set, tanging si Jorel Singh lang.
Correct. Actually, even in the first set.
Meron pang Myla Pablo ron, pero dito nawala na rin si Myla.
Oh, and Coach really opting to keep her at the bench.
Wow. You talk about reading the defense. It was not a perfect setup coming from Tan, but somehow, Eliza Valdez saw the hole doon sa depensa ng National University.
Yeah. Eliza Valdez right now is just oozing with too much confidence already because she's unchallenged.
One thing that Eliza has learned in the last few years is to be able to handle the adulation and to play through big crowds na hindi madaling gawin.
Oo.
Madaling maging magaling. Dahil sila magaling eh. Pero yung maging magaling ng malaki yung expectations, maraming umaasa, at bawat galaw mo, eh talagang hinihimay, hindi madali yan. Also, supposedly is on that level as Eliza. Tingnan natin kung madadala niya ang kanyang kupunan.
As Jasmine Nabor enters for NU replacing Aiko Ordaz.
Bumalasa na. Tumugot na si Coach Roger. Another good block by Ateneo. Tignan natin kung itong Young Turks ng National U ay magbibigay ng new blood sa kanilang kampanya. Smaller unit. Could be a faster one para kay Coach Roger as Eliza finally commits an attack error.
First
Almost a
error
flawless
ata.
game para kay Eliza.
Good serve.
Jesus tried to cover for Eliza, pero nakapwesto naman si Eliza ron sana para sa reception. The official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League is of course Axel.
Yeah, but that's what Coach Roger is hoping, no? Yung mga hugot niya will play with more intensity. Because he did say in that huddle, this is the finals, but parang hindi kayo lumalaban.
It's never easy getting to the finals, and when you're here, you have to relish it. You have to embrace it. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultrarado Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Joanna Maraginot, one of the best scorers in the entire conference, serving for Ateneo. Yolan goes cross court.
Oh, good dig.
Tan, cross court likewise.
And Eliza Valdez again with that kill.
And Eliza Valdez, hindi mo sasabing in cruise control eh. Dahil all power ang makikita mo para kay Eliza. Mula sa likuran, mula sa harapan, mula sa gilid.
Tsaka actually, the set was far from
Alanganin.
the net. Pero, nagawan pa rin na ng paraan.
Maraginot and Ateneo 15. Diolan and National U7. Seltan, tinawag si Maraginot. Pero hindi kumonekta si Joanna.
Oh, nag-alangan siya sa approach niya. She paused a bit and that made all the difference. All right, now for NU, Jaja Santiago's in front. We're
Ito na.
hoping, for the Bulldogs fans, you're hoping to really get her numbers. Like, so far, not the usual numbers.
But just when they thought that they had a slight tint of momentum, they committed service error. They gave Ateneo an 8-point lead dito sa ating second technical timeout. Hashtag B-League ADMU versus NU Live. Game 1 of this best of 3 series. At ating bigyan pugay ang ating face of the game. Felicia Cui, only 18 years old from Quezon City. Ay, anong flavor?
Binuksan eh.
Binuksan. Oo. Nice smile coming from our guest. At punong-puno tayo dito na rin.
Yeah. Of course.
Ano, pagkatapos pa nung Sunday lunch? O kahapon na sila nagsimba?
Or mamayang gabi.
Mamayang gabi. Oh, miscommunication once again on the service reception ng Ateneo in command. On top by 9 at 17-8.
Coach Roger really just frustrated right now the way the Lady Bulldogs are playing. And as we say that, another reception error.
Alam mo, Norin, frustration might be an understatement, ika nga. Timeout muna si Coach Roger pagkatapos ng second technical timeout dahil dalawang sunod at mabilis na puntos kinuha ng Ateneo.
Ay, yakin tayo. Wala kasi kayong kumpiyansa, takot na takot kayo. Kaya matakot, isipan ninyo. Kailangan confident kayo makukuha. Kanina pa tayo tinitira, napakasimple lang ng mga services. Hindi tayo makakapag-umpisa ng atake. Pag wala tayong reception. Paulit-ulit naman sinasabi sa inyo, paulit-ulit din yung ginagawa nyo.
Well, again, he addressed service reception. As you can see, it's Bong Ravenna.
And of course, the phenom basketball's version. Kiefer Ravenna. Kasama rin niya yung kanyang kapatid. The high leaping third Ravenna. Of course, si Mosin nandito.
Yeah, you gotta love really the support right now. Inter-sports, basketball will watch volleyball and vice versa.
Nakakatawa nga dahil yung Ateneo community has been very supportive of the Lady Eagles. But so itong National U, although outnumbered sila, the moment may makita tayong run dito, may ibang timpla. Pero
Right.
ngayon, talagang kontrolado ng Lady Eagles ang takbo ng laban. Bumalik na si Jaja Santiago para dito sa kupunan ng National U. Drop shot para kay Eliza pero hindi tatawid. Nagkakamali rin pala si Eliza.
Tao rin naman pala.
Tao lang.
No, but what you were talking about earlier was Coach Roger saying yung sinasabi natin, diba? Ano meron, ano wala. Anong wala is, wala silang confidence, wala silang kumpiyansa sa sarili.
At paulit-ulit na niyang pinapaalala.
Yes.
Sabi nga niya, inuubos na nga niya yung timeouts niya. Matigil lang yung pulusok ng Lady Eagles. Wow. Pero yan, hindi na sa walang kumpiyansa yan. Yan sobrang sipag ni Bea De Leon. Keeping her eye dito kay Diolan at nabasa niya yung bigay at bato kung saan pupunta.
Yeah, look at the celebration after. You know, this conference has really been, a breakout conference also for Bea De Leon, especially in terms of blocking.
Net violation para kay Bea De Leon. Ateneo won the first set 25-19. Ateneo had an 11-point lead earlier at 20 against 9. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Diolan inserted in the lineup here in the second set. Diolan with a dig. The board goes to Singh. Checked. Diolan goes back to Singh. Off speed. Whoops.
Good effort by Gakiliana, but Bea De Leon's body was going the other way and the ball was going the other way.
Alam mo yung pakiramdam na gano'n na rin, yung hinahabol mo. Pero pakabila ka.
Oo.
Pero pilit mong inaabot para maghihiwalay yung upper at lower
Yeah,
body, lower part
exactly.
mo. Oh. At this point of the match, yung margin for error ng National U, gapalito, gabuhok, gakuko. Dahil sa pagkakabaon nila. Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Lara, Jaja, Dindin, Jantic, Peter, and the rest of the Wally Friends of Viber Public Chat. Let's go to the Public Chat tab. Sa inyong Viber app, search and start following Wally Friends. Siguradong good vibes. May catch yung ultra fan kulit. May kasama ng frustration doon para kay Jorel Singh.
Yeah.
Diba? Todo na. Sama pamato.
Jarrell Singh, you said it, it's the lone bright spot right now for NU. Even Jaja unable to score points in her rotation in front.
Hindi siya makakapalo kung hindi sila makaka-receive. Kanina pa
Exactly.
sinasabi ni Coach Roger yun. Jaja Santiago had a service error earlier. Tan. Italiana cross-court attack point. And alam mo, parang inaantay ng National yun na magkamali ang Ateneo instead of moving their feet, covering space and defending. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Radio Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Alam mo, baka isang factor din dito, Norin, parang naging madali yung serya ng National Youth sa semifinals. Ang Ateneo naman, nasubok ng gusto dahil inabot na ng do or die game yung serya nila kontra sa UST.
Right.
At minsan, maski sabihin mong mas pagod ka, minsan you tend to be sharper because mas mahirap yung pinagdaanan mo.
Yeah, and you're right, because I feel that it was an eye-opener or an awakening for Ateneo that they can be vulnerable.
Nakurot na sila di ba?
Oh, they lost that game na parang walang guest player ang UST and we lost, di ba? So, parang I think it was a heat or reality check for them, and so far, so good for Ateneo.
And for coaches, it always is a welcome development na matalo ka na ng maaga kaysa matalo ka sa dulo.
That's true.
Dahil for teams that don't know how to react after a loss, hindi sila nakaka-recover, lalo na pag mga bata yung mga players.
Yeah, that's a mental aspect. No?
And Ateneo's response to that loss to UST, they swept UST in the final game of the semi-final battle. 3 straight sets. Almost a flawless outing para sa Ateneo. Naninaro lang nung Wednesday.
Oo.
Meaning they only had 2 days to prepare for game 1 of the series. Baka nga halos isa lang di ba?
Oo.
11 set points para sa Ateneo. As Ahumero closes out the second set right away. Ateneo took away set 1, 25-19. And Ateneo once again running away with the second set, 25-13.
Yeah, well, it's a total team effort for Ateneo. As you can see, the shaky shake and play. Gakiliana scoring, Bea De Leon scoring, Amy Omiro scoring, everything working for Ateneo.
Just when we thought that National University would fight back strongly dun sa second set, Ateneo had other plans. Ateneo running away with the second set, 25-13. At ngayon, Norin, dalawang sets na ang advantage dito ng Ateneo.
But, well, that's all about NU first. For NU, they have dug themselves into a very deep hole. And they really need to wake up. Again, this is the finals. You lost the first 2 sets, but you haven't been playing your game. Someone's got to step up. Ruby De Leon back in the fold. Jaja Santiago, someone's got to step up. Not only Jarrell Singh, it has to be a team effort, like what Ateneo is doing. Everyone's contributing to the cause. Stan is setting well, of course, Valdez playing well, and of course, Bea De Leon. Everyone's contributing, which is what NU has to do today.
Siguro, posible para sa National Youth, simulan nila sa depensa muna, di ba? Sa service reception. Dahil yun naman ang kanina pa pinupunto ni Coach Roger Gorayev sa kanila. And let's see if they'll be able to start out better dito sa third set. Maragin at serving para dito sa Ateneo. Buhay pa yung bola. Good save by Pablo. Eliza once again. Good dig by Pablo. At least NU is now scrapping for a defensive stop. De Leon goes to Jaja rather to Singh. Maraginot. Free ball will be given up by
I
Ateneo.
think this is the longest rally so far.
Oo, hindi humahaba
Oh.
Singh tried her best, but an infraction will be slapped on her. Alam mo, parang nakikita natin, sinusungkit ng NU yung unang puntos
Yeah.
Talagang kinukuha nilang pampakumpiyansa na hinahanap nila
But we got to give it also to Ateneo. They're serving well, very consistent.
At saka hindi naman
and blocking.
swerte.
Oo, hindi.
Tinatrabaho nila.
Talaga kinakargahan nila yung
Yes.
serve.
Joust at the net. De Leon. Singh, one-on-one versus Ahumiro. Scores para sa National University.
Yeah. She's the one really scoring for NU.
Naragay ko nasa double digits na si Jorella, no? Kaya lang siya lang
Should be.
The veteran, Ruby De Leon.
Oh, great
Oh,
serve.
nice serve. Eliza. This is better defense for National U. Makikita natin.
A lot better.
Eliza again. Ginawa ng paraan. Alam mo, nandun na si Singh palapit na nadulas lang Pero, maski alanganin yung set, no? Merong talon si Eliza na pumipigil sa kanya sa area, no? Nag-straddle. Tapos, mabibitin niya yung sarili niya.
And her court sense really is impeccable, especially in today's game. Kitang-kita niya where to put it, where to drop it.
Parang natanggal yung kapa nung hikaw nung isa sa... Tama ba yun? Kapa?
Pakaw.
Pakaw, sorry. Hindi, wala kasi ako hikaw eh. Pakaw. Mali.
Oh, here are the numbers, okay, for Ateneo Valdez with 15, Maraginot and Humiro Gakiliana with 5. For NU, Pablo with 5, Sing with 7, wala pang
7.
double figures. And Santiago with 4. So, 4 for Santiago, that's way too low.
Uulitin ko, mas matigas ang depensa ng National University rito. Maraginot having problems mula sa likuran. Ibang-iba yung atake sa harap at sa likod, ano?
Yeah. Of course, but you practice that, so...
Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika Rachel Lara, Jaja Dindin, John Vic Peter, and the rest of the Valley Friends of Viber Public Chat. Let's go to the Public Chats. Tap sa inyong Viber app, search and start following Viber Friends. Siguradong good vibes sa inyong catcher, ultra fun, kulitan. Mas mahaba na yung rallies dito at mas may chance na ang National yun na makapuntos.
You can feel the difference in this set compared to if we compare to the first and second. You're right. Mas lumalaban ngayon ng NU. You feel that they're more into this game here in this third set, which is a good sign.
And for the first time, we see signs of reawakening para dito sa National U. Ayan. May kasama ng swerte yan.
Well, also the blockers have to expect that because it was a free gift. Regalo yon. No blockers went up for that.
If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. It was a duel earlier between Celtan and Ruby De Leon. Tapos pumasok si Diolan para sa National U. Good deflection by Singh. Too tight.
Yeah.
Still alive. Singh, palo na lang ng palo talaga rito. Oops. Buhay pa.
Well, good effort there.
The Lady Eagles have to realize this could be the most difficult set of all. It's close-out time for them, but it's survival time para dito sa Bulldogs.
Yeah.
Singh has really played well for National University. Good solid serve once more. Pablo, good high by De Leon.
That's right. That's a great set. And Pablo goes down the line once again.
Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Tatalo na nung nasa harap para umakyat yung mga blockers. And then a misdirection para dito kay Myla Pablo. Tan, binigyan si Eliza. Oh, checked.
Good save though.
First time ko nakitang na-block si Eliza.
Oh.
De Leon goes to Pablo. Pablo with a drop. Jesus, inangat para kay Eliza. De Leon, back set. Jesus. Tan. Eliza.
See, the rallies are getting longer.
At nawawala na rin sa pwesto ang Lady Eagles.
That's really the bigger the difference if you receive better. NU has a lot of other options. Pablo can hit, Doria. So, kailangan talaga, they should focus talaga on their reception.
So kung anong meron at wala, ngayon ay nagkaroon at nagkameron.
Yes.
Jorel Singh responsible mainly for the setting the tone. Myla Pablo has been able to find her game back. NU up by 4, 7-3. Dating third set.
Yeah, but I'm surprised Ateneo is not adjusting. Pablo has been going down the line and she's been connecting but still no defense
Walang
from Ateneo.
coverage doon, ano?
Yeah.
De Jesus. This time Eliza. Pumps blood to Ateneo's stand. 4 for Ateneo. 7 para dito sa National U. Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Valley Friends of Viber Public Chat. Let's go to the Public Chats tab. Sa inyong Viber app, search and start following Valley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch it. Ultra fun, kulitan.
And as you were saying that, a good block by Maraginot on Myla Pablo.
Ateneo, let's see how they will respond dito sa magandang bangon ng National U. Pinatay ni Ruby yung bola. Sing from the back row. Not over.
Yep, another error there for NU.
Ruby De Leon trying to encourage the rest of her teammates as Eliza Valdez has been able to rally the Lady Eagles closer to the National University Bulldogs. Eliza in atake, si Sing sa kanyang serve. Pablo using her offhand, check. Pablo going cross court, sumabit sa net. Ateneo, 4 straight points or 5 straight points.
Yeah, you know, that's sad for NU because this is a better start for them, the best start actually in the match. But then errors naman creeping in. Now we're tied.
Coach Parley Tupas biting the bullet. Hindi tumawag ng timeout even if they were down earlier by 5. De Leon inangat ang bola para kay Myla Pablo. Save coming from Ella De Jesus. Oops, sumobra ang tulak ni Eliza Valdez. Dito sa ating first technical timeout. Finally, NU will be ahead of Ateneo.
Nice block, Joe. Nice block.
Kailangan si Pablo sa kabila. Mahuli-huli ka na muntik. Tapos lang.
Tagal niya sa ere eh.
Medyo matagal siya eh. Kaya pag sumabay ka, minsan nabisit, di ba? Mahuli ka na muntik, ha?
Pag sinabayan mo kasi
Tama
sa
yun.
lalabas pababa ka na eh. So, antayin mo lang kasi. Kasi yung
We should have read for her third set report.
Noreen and Ronnie, when I asked Coach Roger to comment on Baldo's statement saying that the Lady Eagles are actually the underdogs in this match, ginitian niya lang ako at sinabing, Eliza will always be a humble player. Pero sabi niya rin, having the tallest player in Jaja Santiago does not mean that they have the biggest advantage, lalo na kapag hindi na i-utilize katulad ng nangyayari ngayon. An important thing he mentioned in the huddle is that nakarating kayo ng finals, may karapatan kayo maglaro dito, kaya ibigay niyo naman sana ang kailangan yung ibigay. He also pointed out na kapag championship na, you throw everything out the window because it is the heart of the players that will matter the most. Kaya naman ang paalala dito sa Lady Eagles ay hindi lamang maging consistent sa skills, kundi rin sa ugaling happy, unity at heart strong. Back to you guys.
Hape.
Hape.
NU lamang ng dalawa. Miss hit coming from Eliza but still that was in.
Yeah.
Kantong-kanto. Corner pocket, ika nga.
Yes. She finds those
Corners,
little,
mahirap yan.
Corners, oo. Tsaka linyang-linya eh.
Ensayado at saka talagang eksakto yung bato at hataw ni Eliza. 9 for NU, 8 for Ateneo, Bea De Leon. Para sa Ateneo, Ruby De Leon. Para sa National U, Pablo finally checked. Pablo readjust.
Good did by Eliza.
Giselle Tan, oh nice setup. Kanina, natapal dito si Gicaliana. Pero ngayon, binalikan siya ni Giselle Tan for her to be able to redeem herself. Down by 7 earlier now, tied at 9 all. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's D-League.
But you know, you're hoping for NU, no? You see, you know, spurts from Jarrell Singh, you see from Pablo. You're hoping that they play well the same time.
You know what has been taken, or who has been taken away of the equation? At yung equation na wala? Si Jaja?
Oh, really? Because now, for reception, they're not able to maximize her advantage. Look at that, nobody home, down the line, no one was there.
Ateneo regaining the lead. National U has to hold fort. Play better defense. Selton once again using her quickness. Pablo using her reach to beat Maraginot.
Yeah, that was too near the net. Yeah, look at the front row right now of NU. You have Myla Pablo, you have Jaja Santiago, and you have Ruby De Leon. I mean, you have to take advantage of that.
National team.
Oh, exactly.
Oh, nice save. Good tip coming from Jaja. Tan once again jump set. Maraginot Does not connect.
Hitting air this time for Ateneo. But at least, Coach Ronnie, here in the third set, lumalaban ang NU.
Oo naman. Dun sa second set, at this point of that second set, talagang kita mo, runaway na para sa
Oo.
Ateneo. But not this set. Giseltan, alanganin si Gitaliana. Masyadong mababa for Kid.
Yeah. So far, a couple of errors right now for Ateneo. You're right, though, the sets have been low or near the net.
Good rebound by National U. Ateneo took away the lead at 10-9. 3 straight points for the Bulldogs. Ito yung sinasabi natin, how will they respond? They had to hold fort, and they did. It will be 4 straight points for National U.
Yeah, but a block there for NU. They have to be happy with that.
Ulitin natin, first meeting between these two teams happened last September 5. Ateneo beat National U in 4 sets. Coach Roger napabuntong hininga.
Yeah, because you don't want that, yung mga service errors, no? Not when we keep saying they're trying to build a momentum of sorts.
Good timing by Jaja. De Jesus inangat para kay Eliza. Tinitik ni Eliza. Oh, nice. Set up for Jaja by Ruby De Leon. It's been a while, sabi ni Jaja.
Oo. Pero wala pa rin siyang solid, no? But they'll take it. That's what they need.
Yeah, the chance to cover Jaja in an international event. Pati yung mga kalaban na Southeast Asian teams, hirap na hirap sa kanya pag nabigyan mo ng bola. Sa lakip, bilis.
Hitting air there by Nabor.
Yung puntos ng Ateneo dito galing na sa unforced errors ng National U.
Yeah.
Could have been a bigger lead para dito sa Bulldogs. Instead, Maraguinot has a perfect opportunity to inch closer. Itong Lady Eagles, oh, rare. Mistake coming from Myla Pablo. Backpedaling,
Yeah.
not balanced.
So parang nag-alangan pa siya sa reception.
Maraguinot placing her serve long and deep. Wow.
That's what we were looking for.
Natawa si Eliza. Parang si Thor pumalo.
Oo.
Ganda. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTA for a happy family. Sa totoo lang, Norin. Parang slow-mo yung dating, no? Parang iyan na.
Yeah. But that should pump NU up because that's what we've been, even the fans have been waiting for.
That's a check ball. Kitang-kita natin yung balak ni Eliza ron eh.
Oo.
Nakita niya, hindi niya may ilagan si Jaja. Went directly but in a different trajectory. Diyan pumapasok yung experience eh, no?
Oo.
Amy Humiro so far, quiet game. Jaja once again. And you, lamang pa rin. Dito sa ating pagdating sa second technical timeout, 16-14. V-League, ADMU versus NU live. At ito na, ang ating Lavarias family, ang ating family of the game, Ultra Fan family of the game. Joey Carian, Leona Erica, Joey Jr., Christina, at si Christine Grace. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Ang game to ng
Dami
ating finals ay sa Sunday next week.
Sunday,
Ay
yes.
samahan nyo kami rito. Kung hindi kayo nakarating ngayon. Of course, meron pa tayong Saturday game din. I think that's Battle for Third.
Yeah. Both the men's and the women's.
Oo. Of course, ang ating magtutunggali sa men's finals ay walang iba kundi Ateneo
And NU.
at National University din. Dominating the volleyball landscape, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Pablo, checked. Free ball para sa Ateneo. Ooh! My!
Miscue there for NU.
Inilagan ni Jorel Singh yung bola. Ruby De Leon, sinasabi, sa'yo yun. Ruby De Leon, bihira ako makitang mag-react ng ganyan si Ruby.
Oo.
Di ba?
Frustrated na rin because
Oo.
alam niya, although if the score is even at 16, she knows the importance of this set.
Wala nang dulo to eh. Ito na yon para sa kanila. Oh, nice. Alam mo to si Paran Cargado pumalo ito.
Yeah,
Mahusay na bata yan. Sinapor rather.
Nabor,
Oo,
right?
mahusay yan.
Kaliwete.
Diretso lang pero lakas pumalo. PLDT Ultrafast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. 2 straight points by Ateneo earlier. Binasag ng NU para sa kanilang 17-point. Pablo blocked by De Leon and Valdez.
Wow. And too much to the delight of Coach Parley, Tupas.
And this is where papasok yung determination dito ng Lady Eagles because ang NU talagang determinado rin bumalik. Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, Jan, Peter, and the rest of the Viber friends. The Valley Friends sa Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app. Search and start following Valley Friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fan kulitan.
Well, you're saying that the block by Ateneo once again, and they now find themselves ahead by 1.
At ang kagandahan doon, hindi lang opensa ang ginagamit ng Lady Eagles. Kung hindi depensa.
Yeah, but Nabor, back-to-back points.
And you looking for help. And so far, Nabor is very much willing to step up to the plate para dito sa National University.
Good serve.
Patay na patay yung bola. Good cover by Singh down the line. De Leon goes to Pablo. Deflected. Pablo scores. NU ahead by 1.
Well, Nabor actually is being parang a spark plug right now for NU. Kasi they started out strong. Naglalal sila palagi. They're looking for that one person to actually, keep that spirit alive.
Nabor may be a quiet spark. Oh, Vikiliana. With an attack error, Ateneo falls behind by 2. Kilala ko yan.
Kilala ko rin yan.
Chito Loizaga also with us today and this lovely Sunday afternoon. Nasa Bermont na tayo.
Oo nga.
Marin, ako. Alam mo na yan. Tatraffic pa lalo. Isel Tan goes to Bea De Leon. Surprise setup. De Leon delivers. Ateneo cuts the lead to 1.
Yeah, again, that was a great set, fooling the blockers of NU. Oh,
19 serving 20.
yeah.
Bea De Leon para sa Lady Eagles.
Good serve.
Matulis. Diretso kay Jorel Singh. Oops. Pablo Singh, free ball. Tan goes to Kikiliana.
Good big. Oh, sayang, no? But good effort by Singh.
Ateneo once again able to secure its second win. And you're looking to hang tough as they attempt to extend this match into another set. De Leon once again goes to Singh. Over reception.
Wow,
Excellent timing by Kikiliana. Timeout by Coach Roger as they have surrendered the lead at 21-20.
Sige. Susundan mo yung spiker mag-reset. Nakatayo ka lang sa gitna eh. Tingnan mo nasan ba yung spiker mo. Sasundan mo, hayaan mo maglagay. Liit-liit yun, di naman gano'ng kataas ang kamay ng sanit eh. Oo, dapat yan iniisip nyo na. Tumatayo lang kasi kayo doon. Hanggang nakaganyan lang kayo. Hindi kayo nag-aaral eh. Tumatayo lang kayo, maging smarte kayo. Unahan nyo sila sa gusto nilang mangyari. Eh, hintayin yung gawin nila yung gusto nila. Tapos saka natin kikilusan. Tara, mapalitan mo to.
Oh, Coach Roger, of course, he knows how important this latter part of the third set. You said nga, Coach Ronnie, survival na ang NU. So they need to really step up. Try, di ba sabi niya, unahan nyo na yung Ateneo. You're making them play their game.
It's not only an Eliza Valdez show para dito sa Lady Eagles. A lot of her teammates have stepped up and played really well likewise. Another over reception. Good save by Ruby De Leon. Eliza, Giselle Tan, Kiliana. Fighting for dear life ang National U.
Yeah, still alive.
Sabi ni Bea, akin yan.
Free ball.
Ruby goes to Pablo.
Oh!
Uy!
Oh! Helter Skelter!
Kinilabutan ako sa
Oh,
puntos
my.
na yun And look at the bench of the Lady Eagles.
And that got the crowd alive, actually. Great defense by both squads, but really, Ateneo getting the better of that rally.
Alam nyo po, pag naglalaro kayo, alam mo yan, Norin, you play this game.
Yeah.
Alam mo ang gagawin mo, pero minsan, parang naiiba yung galaw mo. Parang bang so near, yet so far yung bola.
Sometimes kasi, you don't get the balls that you expect eh. So yung impromptu, diba? Yung reflex. That's actually what makes the game very interesting. Well, just down by 1.
Pero dyan din pumapasok yung mental fortitude na tinatawag.
Oh,
diba?
yeah,
Kasi mas
definitely.
nakikita mo yung nangyayari pag alerto ka.
And ready ka.
Oo. Ika nga alerto 24. You have Kim Gikeliana, you have Bea De Leon, you have Joanna Mariginot, the defense of Ella De Jesus and the leadership of Eliza Valdez.
Pinag-aaralan naman natin sa isa. Mga sa inyo eh. Ano kayo? Scattered phrase kasi kayo ngayon eh. Kung saan kayo na hindi kayo masyadong nagko-control sa kilos ninyo eh. Scattered phrase kayo. Kung saan lang makapunta doon lang kayo. Hindi nyo pinag-aaralan. Hindi kayo naging smarting na yung araw na to. Kailangan nyo step ahead kayo sa kalaban nyo. Sir,
Desperate times.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Exactly.
Jaja Santiago is back in the fray for one final push. Ateneo able to, sabi nga natin, secure its second win. Will NU hold fort or will Ateneo swing to a 3-match point situation?
Oh,
And the latter just happened.
yeah, but that has been the story in today's game, really. The reception woes of NU.
Down by 7 points at the onset of this third set. Now Ateneo is on the threshold of sweeping National University.
Yep, match point.
Wikiliana once again punching that ball in. Myla Pablo tries to save one of 3 set game points, match points rather. Sertan to Maraginot. Oh!
What a last point for Ateneo. Look at the celebration. That's also been the story of Ateneo today, playing a team effort.
Nakakatuwa yung reaction ni Coach Roger at ni Coach Parley. And that smile by Coach Roger Goraya belies the fact that yung frustration over the game that was played by National U
Yep.
laban sa nilarong flawless game ng Ateneo. Alam ni Coach Roger that they could have played a much better game. Amin pong pag-uusapan yan sa aming pong pagbabalik.
For today's match match, none other than Eliza Valdez. So Eliza, before this match, sabi mo na parang yung Lady Eagles yung underdog sa larong ito. Sa tingin mo ba ngayon, after sweeping NU in 3 sets, kayo pa rin ba yung underdog?
Oo naman, we have lot of things to improve pa and sobra, and wala pa si Coach Tai, and we really played this game for kay God naman talaga, kay Coach Farley, and all the efforts na binibigay ng team, and to everyone who supports the team talaga.
Okay, so speaking of Coach Tai, kung nanonood siya ngayon, ano ang gusto mo naman sa kanyang sabihin?
Happy. No, good luck Coach sa coaching course, and we miss you kitong makmak Coach itong.
Okay, so thank you, Eliza. Congrats naman sa being player of the game and to the Ateneo Lady Eagles. We present to you, of course, this box of shakies once more for being player of the game. Ngayon, may gusto ka bang batiin?
Hi kay Denise, pamangkin ni Ate Ruby, and to my family sa San Juan, Batangas, hi. And to all the fans na nanonood sa bahay, hello po. And, sorry, nagulit po ako. Ayun, hi po to everyone, and ayun, good luck sa men's team and to both teams. Yay!
Okay, thank you, Eliza, and congrats once more. Now, we turn it back to Mr. Noel Zarate.
Thank you very much, Trisha Robredo. And it is now time, ladies and gentlemen, for the individual awarding for our collegiate conference of the 12th season of the Shakey's V-League. My name is Noel Zarate, and at this point, we will bring in our presenters. First, let's bring in the PR and event supervisor of Shakey's Pizza, Miss Stephanie Luterio. Joining Ms. Luterio is the president of Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated, Mr. Ricky Palou, and our tournament director, also from Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated, Mr. Tony Boy Liao. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the first of our awards for this conference. The first best outside spiker. That award goes to, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Eliza Valdez. Congratulations, Eliza. And now calling on our second best outside spiker for this conference. From the University of Santo Tomas, E.J. Laure. Congratulations, EJ, as we now move on to our first best middle blocker of the conference. From the National University, Chacha Santiago.
This is the mix of DJ Ivan and DJ Lex.
Congratulations to Jaja, and now our second best middle blocker of the conference. From the Ateneo de Manila University, Bea De Leon. Congratulations, Bea, our second best middle blocker. And now for the best opposite spiker of the conference, we bring in, from the Far Eastern University, Jovelyn Gonzaga. We will receive the award on behalf of Jovelyn Gonzaga, our best opposite spiker from FEU. And now we move on to our best setter of the conference. From the Ateneo de Manila University, Giselle Tan.
This is the mix of DJ Eiley and DJ.
Congratulations, Giselle, best spiker of the Collegiate Conference of Season 12. And now it's time to award our best libero from the National University, Fatima Pia General. Congratulations, Pia. And that leaves only one award to be handed out. The biggest one of them all for the individual awards. The most valuable player of the conference. And it will come from one of these young ladies in front of you. The MVP of the Collegiate Conference Season 12 of the Shakey's B-League is, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Eliza Valdez. Eliza now with her second MVP award. Congratulations, Eliza, and congratulations to all of our winners for our individual awards of Season 12 of the Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's B-League.